If you're somebody that has just picked up a Go Spyder from GoPowerBikes, you're probably wondering what is involved in the assembly and how to use it. We're going to answer both of those questions in today's video. First things first, let's open the box. Now you're going to want to save your box and recycle that according to local rules and regulations. Remove our accessories box from the main box and pull the bike out of the box. Put the kickstand down and we are ready to get to work. First, we're going to remove all of the packaging. Anything that doesn't look like it belongs in a bike, that's the sort of stuff we should be removing. Next, we're going to raise the stem, lock it into place using the stem latch. Next, let's check to see what was inside that accessories box. We've got the manual, the charger, assembly tools, 2 pedals, one labeled for the left side and one labeled for the right side, and of course our saddle. The first thing we'll do is install the saddle by loosening the seat post clamp. That's going to give us room to slide our seat down into the seat post tube. Slide the saddle down beyond the minimum insertion distance and tighten the seat post clamp. Next, we're going to install the pedals. We're on the right side, so let's go ahead and grab the right one. Start by hand tightening it, and remember that all pedals tighten when turned towards the front of the bike. Finishing it off with the included wrench. Next, we're going to adjust the handlebars. As you can tell, this is not a very comfortable position for the handlebars to be in, so let's go ahead and move those brakes up to when the brakes are about 20 degrees. Start by loosening the quick release clamp on top of the stem, getting the handlebars into a good angle, and then tighten the quick release. Before we go for our first ride, here are some quick tips. First, make sure that your bike is fully charged by plugging the charger into the wall first, then you can plug the charger into the battery. If the light is red, the bike is still charging, and once it turns green, you know that the battery is fully charged. Next, let's adjust our front headlight to about a 45-degree angle. That way we can illuminate the road ahead of us. To turn the bike on, press the power button, and you'll notice the 4 LED lights appear on the right-hand side. Next, let's check the brakes. We'll start by doing a pull test on the left brake, then the right brake. And we can always double check that by doing a walking braking test. Before you go for your first ride, always make sure that the safety latch is tightened. Once the stem has been raised and the latch has been secured, slide the safety latch into place for added security. Before you ride, always make sure to straighten your wheel. To use the throttle, grab the throttle on the right-hand side and pull it back. This will provide power to the motor. You can also just pedal. That will also supply power to the motor. And no matter what you guys decide to do, remember to have fun. From all of us at GoPowerBikes, wanted to welcome you to the GoPowerBike family. If you have any questions for us, you can head on over to GoPowerBike.com and talk to one of our lovely support staff.